Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Furnace 620. And right now we happen to be standing in the lobby of the Peters Campus Life Building, Northern Illinois University in DeKalb, Illinois. This used to be called just a Campus Life Building, but last month they renamed it by simply just adding the name Peters to it, so not a huge difference in name change, but yeah. So here's a look at the lobby of the building. It's got a second floor balcony here that overlooks it. And it's built in this rotunda-like structure. It's also got this dome in the ceiling. It seems to have this light fixture that projects its light throughout the dome, as well as some light tucked away here. Here's another look at the lobby. And there's a little plaque down there showing the oldest building on campus, and known as Alcohol Hall, and the fact that this university was established in 1895. But I think the main reason why we're here is because of that thing right there. Yep, that's an elevator. We're going to go take a ride on the elevator in this building. And in this case, we have to be in for a special treat. I think looking at that call button, you might know why. So, let's walk over to the elevator, shall we? Yep, that's right guys. We happen to have a Montgomery Vector. This one was installed in 1994. So with that said, let's take it for a ride. We're definitely not expecting to find a Vector on this campus, given that most of the elevators here have been modded or just not that interesting. Oh, and look at this. Unlike most Vectors that have their floor buttons placed at a height that's not ADA compliant, like right here, where that call cancel button is, or maybe even above that. In this elevator, the floor buttons are actually ADA compliant, and that's probably one of the reasons, or the reason why this elevator is still original. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, unlike most Vectors that use a green vacuum fluorescent dot matrix indicator, this one uses instead the LED, the red LED that matrix indicator that was also made around 1994. So, without further ado, let's take it up to 2, shall we? So here are 2. Now let's go back down to 1. So now let's get our CAD view. Pretty nice for a mid-90s installation. There's your floor indicator. But yeah, how many of you guys have ever been on a vector with a red dot matrix indicator? I certainly have not. So here's your fire service key switch and your call cancel button. Here are your buttons and door controls and alarm. Oh, looks like it's missing the door close button as well. I thought there was no door close at first, but no, there is, but it looks like it's missing. And then in here, you got your phone. And the fact that this elevator has the red dot matrix indicator and 88 buttons makes this vector even more rare than other vectors. So, to honor how rare vectors they are, we're going to take it for another ride, and this time we'll watch the buttons go out and the motor start up. It might also give it a jolt since that's what it did the first time I rode up. Oh, I almost forgot. There's your inspection certificate. So now let's take it up for another ride. Now back to when we go. Just out of curiosity, I want to see if I can still close the door. I think the door close contact might still be in place, but just the cap is missing. Here, back down at 1. Watch the elevator close up. There it goes. And that's going to be it.